Guys, wow, that Ferris wheel's still going. Anyways, guys, I bloody pulled my shoulder earlier, and it's re-aggravated an injury I had like a month ago. Yeah, I can't lift, and when I do that sidearm lift, oh, it is excruciating. Well, whoever's done a job on this, salting job on this trail, I appreciate you very much. Nope, no homeless activity under the bridge here. But guys, just take a look at that Ferris wheel. Seems to be like a central market here or something. Maybe some kind of big hole. Our city, our spirit. Yeah. Yeah, so this might be like a Christmas time. Yeah, yeah, buddy. First-hand glance at the old Ferris wheel, eh? Oh, right. So, up. We are, guys, on a brick road. I love the spirit, St. Louis, but not good for cycling. Not that very good. And I'm already on the road. I should have stayed on the bloody footpath. Oh. Yeah. Market Street and Maggie O'Brien's Stadium Club. That might be the Lou Fush gate. You know what, that might be the soccer stadium. Who knows? I gotta find out. Don't quote me on that, guys. Union Station, St. Louis. Turn here for parking. Well, when in Rome. When in Rome. So yeah, St. Louis City. I think this is the established 2023. I know it's a fairly new team because they didn't exist when the Major League Soccer formed. Yeah, they're definitely like an expansion team. But look at that, a nice little stadium. I'll bet you get like 10, 15, maybe 20,000 fans in here. Yeah, there it is. You're never seen city like this. Let's go St. Louis. Let's go St. Louis. Let's go St. Louis. I don't know, should I sing them something? Fortune's always hiding, and I've looked everywhere, and that's all I know is the West Ham United song. Fortune's always hiding, and I've looked everywhere, so I'm forever blowing bubbles, bubbles in the air. I'm forever blowing bubbles. They fly so high in the sky, and like my dreams fade and die, but I'm forever blowing bubbles, silly bubbles in the air. Something like that. Brick River Cider Company. So guys, I guess St. Louis, because I saw a lot of, you know, closed down breweries, factories, so it must have been one of America's big beer capital or beer producing capitals. Wow. Oh, Nelly. 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. Oh. Yes. Oh. Wow. Guys, we crossed the street today, remember? Yeah. We've got, there's the distribution place right before the Polish church, right? I know. Or these neighborhoods look so very much alike. No, there it is. Hey guys, so yeah, maybe we can do the whole church thing with the priest in the morning. So it's only